by governing. Baby, we are like Elijah. Elijah is like us. He prayed, then the rain stopped for 3.5 years. Then again he prayed, the rain came down. Second, and ngicela singayibuza question about where is the God of Elijah? He has never changed. God has never changed. But where are the Elijah of God of the ancient days? The Elijahs of today, they just sleep the whole night, then wake up in the morning, they want to command. You can't command lalo sobonke. Sikon, lo mzimba uThixo needed this body to rule the earth. He won't come down from heaven and rule the earth. Ebeke umuntu. Sikon? Now, njengoba ebeke lo muntu, okokuqala umuntu akangomuntu without what we call the spirit, because the name man means the spirit of God in a humus. What is the humus? Umhlaba. Sikon? Now, uAdam wenziwa ngomhlaba, then God had to into him. Amvuthela. Kwangena umoya wakhe. Waqala wangumuntu. Sikon? Now, ngumuntu who has to do the duties that God will later document here. Sikon?
Amen.
Constitutions of the world are not supposed to rule the earth. Do you know that even Jesus, he carried the government on his shoulder? Sikon?
Amen.
Now, njengoba lo mzimba uThixo awenzayo, wayezilungiselela yena indawo yokuhlala. Akanayo indawo uThixo angahlala kuyo ngaphandle komzimba wakho.
Amen.
Sihleli.
Amen.
He needs your body to do his matters on earth. God needs your body ukuze aqhube imicimbi yakhe emhlabeni.